Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have two 10 by 12 inch canvases, and I will do a double dip with some vermilion hue, cadmium red, deep hue, cardinal red, silver and black. And I have black canvases, so it should be okay. So I will just pour some black paint on both canvases for a base. Okay, so I will drizzle some pearl white first. On both canvases. Let's do and now I will do this. Way too much black, I think. So let's just add a little black here, black here. It's not quite what I was looking for. Okay, third time the charm. We will see. I'm not sure anymore. Let's just lift it like that. And I think that this will be more something that I like. Okay, I will leave it like it is because this will be enough. So I prefer for double dips MDF boards or even tiles. I have to bring some tiles out to show you the difference maybe next time. I'm not sure about this color combination at all, but I will leave it like it is, leave it to dry. I will take you for a close-up and see you right back. So here is a close-up. I don't know, I will leave this to dry. It's a lot of beautiful details but I'm not sure about those colors together really. I don't know, too much black in a way. Probably I shouldn't have used silver, and I did dip 3 times, but that's where the fun is with dips. You can re-dip and get some other effects that maybe you like more. Just playing with this technique, it's nice. So I hope that you learned something with me today. Have a nice day. Holidays are here, and see you on the next one. Bye.